How to use Gemini CLI in VSCode. Want to supercharge your coding in VSCode? Gemini CLI is the ultimate AI assistant that helps you write, debug, and optimize code faster than ever. First, install the Gemini CLI on your computer using Google's official setup guide. Then, open VSCode and make sure Gemini is ready to run in your terminal. In VSCode, use the integrated terminal to start Gemini. Once connected, Gemini can instantly assist with explaining code, generating snippets, or giving real-time suggestions as you work. You can ask Gemini to debug errors, refactor messy code, or even create quick scripts and documentation, all without leaving VSCode. It's like having an AI coding partner right inside your editor. And that's how you can boost your coding workflow with Gemini CLI in VSCode. Thanks for watching.